What is going on, guys? I want to record this quick video to show you the software. This is funnelfreedom.io. So this software, so right now I'm testing it. So I'm I'm like a beta tester, and I want to show you so you can watch it first handly. For example, this is the dashboard. We have here the conversations. So this one has many features, contacts, opportunities, but the one thing that I want to show you is that is if I click on sites, so basically I can I can promote multiple affiliate products with this funnel. So if I click on configuration, and here I can update my personal info, personal info and social links, and here I can update my affiliate links. So let me show you this page because this is important. So basically, this is for to help beginners to start affiliate marketing, and here people are going to be able to promote the 72-hour freedom challenge. So what I need to do is that I need to go, for example, here, copy this link and paste it here. Affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. Then I need to copy and paste the affiliate link for Wealth Warriors. This is another high ticket program. My affiliate link for Funnel Freedom. So we're going to be able to promote this software. The affiliate link for Get Response. So Get Response is this software. This is an email marketing software. Legendary Marketer. This is a high ticket program. Repurpose.io. So this software is to upload videos, and automatically you can upload the same video that you uploaded to TikTok into other social media platforms. The secrets of success. This is the new training from Russell Brunson. So this is the home page. As you can see, I have 24 friends have visited my link, and one friend signed up to promote this training. Then we have system.io. So this is for building funnels. TubeBuddy is a software to do keyword research for YouTube. Udemy, this is for solo ads, and Bizla, which is a video editor. And then what I just need to do, the next step is to click here, update affiliate links. So once I have done that, then I can update also my personal info and social links. So here I need to paste the white label course link. Then I need to add here my full name, Facebook link, YouTube channel, and all of these social media links. And we're going to be able to promote all of those high ticket products, which is really important because the more products you promote, you can create multiple income streams. Now let me show you. This is like the funnel. So this is the opt-in page, and this is to give a free course. This is to give a free course in exchange for the email. How anyone can launch the #1 beginner-friendly, fully automated online business from home without having any tech skills, audience, products, or experience. And here I can collect the name and the email. And also, when I update my social media links, it's supposed to appear here my name automatically. Take the free course. And so that is the link that I need to promote. And the other, so this is the bridge page. I think that, so here I need to create my own video to explain people what this is all about. Or you can use this one if you want, but it's better to record your own video. And the next we have here the modules, module 1 to module 7. And this is the funnel, but more importantly, guys, when someone subscribes to this opt-in page, so this software basically is going to send emails automatically promoting those products that I just showed it to you, and it's going to send valuable emails. Also, it's going to build on the landing page in which is going to appear the video, and below the video it's going to be a button, and if people click that button, they will click my affiliate link, and we are going to be able to use Jonathan Montoya's videos from his YouTube channel and leverage that authority to drive traffic to our affiliate links. So this is like a very quick video about the funnelfreedom.io. So Jonathan is going to launch this software, I think, in the next month. I don't know the exact date, but he's going to launch this system, which is going to be great because with this software, he's going to help a lot of people that don't like to do the tech stuff. For example, like build the opt-in pages and build the whole email sequence. So I have like a lot of videos on my YouTube channel talking about how to build email sequence. For example, if this is get response, and if I click automation, I have my own email sequence that I have built. But with this software, you are going to have all that system set up, and they are going to feed that system with many emails. And I'm going to keep creating content about this software, guys, to show you my progress, and let's see if we can make commissions with this system, because this is a powerful software to use if you are an affiliate marketer or if you have an online business and you want to have the automation part, how a place in which you want to store your contacts, how to build your email sequence. You can build sites also. You can use this one. Check this out for blogs. You can have here the WordPress and many other things. So I'm going to record uh, other videos more in depth talking about how to use the system. So this is like an overview about funnelfreedom.io. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.